Welcome, dear student. In previous lecture, we have to complete the chapter number 3, Advanced JavaScript. Now, we have to solve the exercise. The first question is fill in the blanks. First is dash script resides on server computer. Answer is server side. Second question. Dash statement is used to jump out of loop. Answer is break statement. Third. Dash defines logical structure of document. Answer is DOM, document object model. Fourth is dash property of window object returns Boolean value indicating whether window is closed or not. कौन सी property? Closed property. Answer is closed. Fifth number. Dash event occurs when an element loses its focus. Answer is on blur. Question number 2. State whether given statement is true or false. First statement is JavaScript is case sensitive language. JavaScript is a case sensitive language. The answer is true. Second is mat.sil function is used to return the nearest integer less than or equal to given number. Answer is false. Third is max value property of number object returns smallest possible value. आता यांनी याच्यात काय म्हटलं आहे मॅक्स व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे काय येतं मॅक्झिमम मॅक्झिमम म्हणजे काय असणार आहे लार्जेस्ट व्हॅल्यू असणार आहे आणि त्यांनी काय दिलं आहे स्मॉलेस्ट पॉसिबल व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे आन्सर काय असणार आहे याचं फॉल्स. 4 गेट डे मेथड ऑफ डेट ऑब्जेक्ट रिटर्न्स मंथ इन नंबर काय असणार आहे आन्सर फॉल्स. Fifth number, on key down event occurs when user moves mouse pointer. Answer is false. Question number 3, multiple choice question. Select one correct answer. First is JavaScript is dash language. Option is compiled, interpreted, both A and B, none of the above. The answer is interpreted, B option. Second, select correct method name of string object. A is caret, B is character at, C is value at, and D is length at. And the answer is A, char at. Third number, dash method displays message box with OK and cancel button. Option is A, confirm, B, alert, C, both A and B, D, none of these. And the answer is A, confirm. Fourth number, we can declare all types of variables using keyword. Variable declare करण्यासाठी कोणता कीवर्ड वापरतो? Option is A, var, B. Deem, C. Variable, D. Declare. And the answer is A. Where. Fifth number, trace output of the following JavaScript code. प्रोग्राम दिलेला आहे where str is equal to information technology. Document dot write str dot last index of O. Option is 18, B 19, C 20, D 21. And the answer is A 18. Question number 4, multiple choice question. Select two correct answers. First is valid two methods of date object are dash dash and dash dash. Two correct answer आहेत. A ऑप्शन आहे set time, B get valid time, C get time, D set valid time. And the answer is A set time and C get time. Second is properties of document object are dash dash and dash dash. A is URL, B is title, C is name, and D is status. And the answer is URL and title. Third question, dash dash and dash dash are event or event handler used with text object in JavaScript. Option is A on blur, B on move, C on focus, D on action. And the answers are A on blur and C on focus. Question number 5th. Multiple choice question. Select three correct answers. First is select three correct methods of window object. Dash dash dash. Option are A write, B alert, C write in, write ln, D close, C E open, F care at. And the correct answers are B alert, D close, and E open. Second number, JavaScript features are dash 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 and dash dash. A is supports event-based facilities. B is platform-dependent language. C case-sensitive scripting language. D provide inbuilt object. E can handle date and time effectively. EF required special software to run. And the answers are A support event based facility, D provide inbuilt object, and E can handle date and time effectively. Third question is inbuilt objects in JavaScript are dash 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 and dash dash. Options are A time, B date, C inheritance, D array, E number, F function. And the answer is B date, D array, and E number. Question number 6. Explain the following. First question is, what are similarities and differences between client-side scripting and server-side scripting? Question number 2. Briefly explain features of JavaScript. Question number 3. Explain switch case conditional statement in JavaScript with एक्झाम्पल. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 आणि 7. 6चे जे आन्सर्स आहेत ते तुम्हाला टेक्स्टबुकमध्येच टॉपिक दिलेले आहेत, त्याच्यातनं तुम्हाला ते बघता येतील आणि आपण ते अभ्यासलेलेच आहेत. आणि 7 जे आहे याचे प्रोग्राम्स मी तुम्हाला नंतर त्याच्यासाठी एक लेक्चर हे करेल आणि प्रोग्राम जे आहे ते तुम्हाला लिहून देईल. प्रोग्राम्स कोणते आहेत ते बघून घ्या. राईट इव्हेंट ड्रिव्हन जावास्क्रिप्ट प्रोग्राम फॉर द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट आहे display addition, multiplication, division and remainder of two numbers which were accepted from user. The second question is display number sequence from 100 to 150 in following format: 100, 101, 102 up to 150. Third, find and display factorial of the given number. Fourth is accept any string from user and count and display the number of ovals occurs in 8. And the last question is match the following. The first is cell. B section returns next integer greater than or equal to a given number. सेकंड इज फ्लोअर. फ्लोअर म्हणजे आपण म्हणतो ना जमिनीवर, त्या पद्धतीने त्याचं आन्सर इज रिटर्न्स द नेक्स्ट इंटिजर लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू गिवन नंबर. थर्ड इज राइट. राइट्स HTML expression or JavaScript code to a document. Fourth is focus, and answer is sets focus to the current window. And last, trim. Answer is removes white spaces from both sides of the string. Thank you, student.